Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hi, this is Cleat Crocker. I'm here again at Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom. And today I got some advice to you regarding your kitchen cabinets and appliances. I want you to imagine this scenario. You've decided to remodel your kitchen. You're gonna take the plunge. It sounds great. It's a lot of fun at the beginning. It becomes something where you're gonna mess up your hair before you're done, but it is really worth it if you ever do a full kitchen remodel. And I get this question all the time, Cleat, should I go ahead and buy my appliances or should I buy my cabinet first? And so that's a very, very good question. I get that question all the time. And the answer is both. Okay, so it's not as simple as one or the other. We kind of have to do it in conjunction. So I represent the appliances, and I've sold luxury appliances for years in regular kitchens, and you know, it doesn't matter what kind of appliances or what level of appliances you're going to get, what kind of a cabinet you're going to get. We really need to work in conjunction with your cabinet company. So what you want to do is come into the appliance store first and look at the kind of appliances as you want. You don't necessarily have to make your final decision, but you need to come in and work with our selling staff here so that we can advise you on to get to what you're looking for. And then before we're all done, you can go ahead and purchase appliances you want, or you can wait if you want. But when you're all done, we need to print for you a bunch of spec sheets. And those spec sheets are what you're expected to walk into the cabinet designers with. So the designers at the cabinet company, they're going to take these spec sheets, they're going to show you the kind of cabinets that you like. They all do a very fine job, and they're going to make sure that the cabinets they sell you work with the appliances that you want. Make sure that they all fit in terms of width, depth, height. Make sure your corners are right so we don't have handles hitting handles. All the important stuff they're going to want to do. Once you've had that conversation with them, you need to come back in and go ahead and purchase your appliances from the appliance store. Now remember, the way things are nowadays, the appliances may be in stock, or they may take a month, 2 months, 6 months to get in. So you want to get your appliances purchased and reserved as fast as you can so that you're in line to go ahead and get them. And then when the appliances arrive, you're all set. After you've made your purchase of appliances, you want to finalize your deal with the cabinet company. They'll go ahead and sell you your appliances. I'm not exactly sure how they do that with you, but I can tell you that what they're going to do at that point now is make a final rendering of the cabinets that they need to have built for you or ordered for you so they fit the appliances that we sold you. So it's all kind of done at the same time. They'll go ahead and install the cabinets before the appliances arrive, then my team or whoever's team that you're going to use will go out there and install them into those cabinets. But you'll find everything goes a lot smoother if you kind of think of this as a team event to make your dream come true.